It is part of application of derivatives. First, what is tangent? Tangent क्या है? The question is what is tangent? In class 10 we know that tangent is the line which touches the circle. But here, in case of a curve, if the line which touch the curve at a point is called tangent. Tangent and point is called point of contact. Point of contact. Suppose we have a curve. ये curve है हमारे पास and its equation is f of x is equation of curve. Then the line जो ये line यहाँ touch करेगी, it is called tangent. It is called tangent and this is the point P. Say x1 y1 is the point. Then the slope of tangent, यहाँ पर जो आता है slope of tangent, it is angle formed by tangent with x axis. For here it is theta. ये theta हो गया. It is angle which tangent made with x axis. Then बेटे tan theta is equal to होता है tan theta is equal to f dash x और dy by dx of tangent. जो भी tangent की इक्वेशन है उसका dy by dx कर देंगे आप, तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? स्लोप मिल जाएगा. से ये स्लोप हो गया और it is called dy by dx. Then equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 or into x minus x1, where x1 y1 is coordinate of point of contact. So this is the equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. It is equation of tangent. Thank you. Now next is normal. Normal. What is normal? Normal is a line which is perpendicular with tangent at point of contact. It is curve. ये tangent. It is point P of contact x1 y1. Then the normal is a line. ये line normal हो गया. It is normal. Make 90 degree angle with tangent. It is normal. इसको normal कहते हैं. ये normal हो गया. Normal. What is the relations between these two? They are perpendicular to each other. The tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Then each other. So स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट नॉर्मल, स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल, नॉर्मल का स्लोप क्या हो जाएगा बेटे? ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर है तो इनके स्लोप का प्रोडक्ट इसके बराबर होगा -1 के बराबर. इफ टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर देन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर स्लोप इज इक्वल टू -1. तो वी नो दैट इसका जो स्लोप है, इसका स्लोप तो है dy by dx. इसके स्लोप को हम dy by dx कहते हैं. The slope of normal tangent is dy by dx. तो जो स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा -1 अपॉन dy by dx. इट इज स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल. क्यों हुआ ये नॉर्मल? अगर हम इसको m1 ले लें और इसको m2 ले लें, m2 इसके स्लोप को, तो m1 m2 is equal to -1 as condition of perpendicularity of line. Here m1 is equal to dy by dx. dy by dx is into m2 is equal to -1. Then m2 is equal to -1 upon dy by dx. In that condition, equation of tangent normal, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to -1 upon dy by dx into x minus x1. Here normal is also passing through the point of contact, so therefore we take point x1 y1. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन y minus y1, ये कौन सी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन है? ये इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन है 10th क्लास में हमने पढ़ी थी, 11th में भी. y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. It is equation of line when slopes and a point is given to us. तो बेटे ये नॉर्मल की इक्वेशंस हो जाएगी. इट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. तो अभी हम इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला? ओके.